the way the business is changing, the way the customer expectation is changing, the organization has to be ready to respond quickly, because if they don't respond quickly, they may have the cost of delay or business or losing market share. So you need to change the way you work over the period, and agility or agile way of working has been successful. This is what we have seen in last decade or so.
Agile methodologies like Scrum and whatever are just some of the means of getting there, but the whole point is in delivering business value to your customers, and Agile is just a route or a road to getting there.
I think Agile gives us many different advantages. One being addressing the fact that software development is complex work, and traditional software development methodologies and processes which were inherited from existing businesses, which were kind of catering to the simple work domain, are not something that can be applicable in a complex work domain.
Talking about Agile, it's very important to understand what is Agile. It's a mindset. Whichever framework you follow, it's important to have the values and principles in mind. You need to also work towards Agile way of working.
According to me, Agile is a mindset. It's a mindset which is a growth mindset, which says learning from the experience, by being transparent, by being empirical. Most of the organizations, they are adopting the Agile way of working because they want to have a competitive edge in the market. So they want to exploit the opportunities which are available in the market and that can make an impact at that particular time.